Hello from Chem Help ASAP. In this video, we'll look at the attachment of sulfur atoms onto aromatic rings. The work in this video was performed by the research group of Professor Frank Glorius at the University of Muenster in Germany. The research was published in the Journal of the American Chemical Society. The citation is on the following slides as well as in the video description. A standard method for attaching atoms to aromatic rings is through some kind of transition metal catalyzed coupling. The metal is often palladium. On the screen are some examples. The Negishi coupling creates a CC bond from an aryl halide and an organozinc reagent. The Buchwald-Hartwig coupling makes a CN bond. The Ullmann-type couplings can make CO bonds with a copper catalyst. Carbon-sulfur bonds can also be formed. The Glorius group has developed a completely different approach to making new CS bonds. Here is a generalization of the Glorius chemistry to the right. Let's hit a few ideas. First idea, this reaction is driven by light, blue LED light. It's a photochemical reaction. Second idea, like most photochemical reactions, the mechanism involves radicals. Third idea, the reaction uses a metal catalyst, iridium, IR. The iridium catalyst interacts with light to start the radical reaction. Fourth and final idea, the aromatic ring is limited to 5-membered pi-excessive rings like pyrrole, furan, thiophene, and imidazole. So A can be nitrogen, oxygen, or sulfur, and B can be carbon or nitrogen. The halogen X can be chlorine or bromine. We will not go through the mechanism, as it is somewhat different from the common types of mechanisms covered in undergraduate organic chemistry. The proposed mechanism does call for formation of a sulfur radical, which then reacts with the pi system of the aromatic ring to form the final product. Interestingly, thiolation of these types of 5-membered rings is a challenge for the palladium-catalyzed method we saw on the previous slide, so the Glorius chemistry complements known thiolation routes. Let's see some specific examples. On the screen are several examples of thiolation products from this chemistry. Note that the reactions can include a number of different types of aromatic rings. We have a pyrrole, a thiazole, a furan, and 2 examples with imidazoles. The R group on sulfur can be alkyl, as we see in many of these examples, or an aryl group. Remember that the sulfur has replaced a halogen on the ring. If the ring has more than one halogen, the thiolation occurs next to the nitrogen or sulfur or oxygen with the lone pair that is required to satisfy the 4n+2 rule. Halogens in other positions are not reactive. In conclusion, the Glorius group at Muenster developed a new photochemical method for adding sulfur groups to aromatic rings. The method nicely complements existing metal-catalyzed thiolation routes. If you are interested in learning more about this research, then check out the reference on this slide or in the video description. Please subscribe, like, or leave a comment. Take care.